In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Jotform link name. Whether you're setting up a new form or updating an existing one, customizing your link name can make it more recognizable and professional. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can do it with ease. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you've logged in, you'll be on your dashboard where you can see all your forms. Look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All. This will display a list of all the forms you've created, making it easier to find the one you want to edit. Now, scroll through your forms and select the one you'd like to change the link name for. Click on the form to open it, and then click on Edit Form. This will take you to the editing interface where you can modify every aspect of your form, including the link name. Once you're in the form editor, look towards the top of the screen and click on Publish. This tab is your gateway to sharing your form with others. After clicking Publish, you'll see several options. You'll want to click on Quick Share, which is usually the first option you see. This section is designed to help you share your form quickly and easily. In the Quick Share section, look for the current link to your form. Next to it, you'll see an option to edit the link. Click on Edit, and you'll be able to change the part of the URL that comes after Jotform's domain. This is where you can customize your link name to whatever suits your needs best. Make sure your new link name is unique and descriptive, as this will help your form stand out and be easily recognized by your audience. After you've typed in your desired link name, double-check it for any typos or errors. Once you're satisfied, click Apply. This will save your changes and update the link name immediately. Now, your new link is ready to be shared. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Jotform link name. Remember, customizing your link name can make a significant difference in how your form is perceived and accessed by others. A well-chosen link name makes your form look more professional and is easier for users to remember. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in changing your Jotform link name. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.